Omnifocus versus Notion. Which productivity tool is right for you? Hello, hope you're doing good. In this video, we're comparing Omnifocus and Notion, two popular productivity tools designed to help individuals and teams stay organized and achieve their goals. While both offer powerful features, they cater to different needs and workflows. By the end of this video, you'll know which one is the best fit for your productivity style. Now let's dive in. What is OmniFocus? OmniFocus is a task management tool designed for personal productivity. It's based on the Getting Things Done methodology, meaning GTD, helping users organize and prioritize their tasks effectively. OmniFocus is perfect for individuals who need a structured approach to managing their tasks and goals. Now, what is Notion? Notion is an all-in-one workspace that combines note-taking, project management, databases, and collaboration tools. It's highly flexible, allowing users to create customized workflows and organize their work visually. Notion is ideal for individuals and teams looking for a versatile tool to manage tasks, projects, and knowledge in one platform. Now let's explore some key differences when it comes onto both platforms. For example, their core focus. Notion emphasizes customizable workspaces, allowing users to create systems for tasks, projects, and collaborative workflows, while on the other hand, OmniFocus is on personal task management, helping users prioritize and track tasks with advanced organization features. So I would say the target audience for OmniFocus, it is best fit for individuals who need a powerful tool for personal productivity and task tracking. While on the other hand, I would say Notion is perfect for individuals and teams and businesses that need a collaborative platform for organizing tasks, projects, and knowledge. And if we were to compare them via ease of use, Notion is flexible but may require time to customize for specific workflows. And with OmniFocus, it has a learning curve due to its advanced GTD-inspired features, but is intuitive once set up. Now, let's go over some key features of both platforms. For example, OmniFocus will offer task organization using projects, context and tags, forecast features for visualizing upcoming deadlines, deep GTD support for prioritizing tasks, sync across Mac OS and also iOS devices, best for personal productivity. While with Notion, some features that you'll be getting: customizable database for tasks and project management, note-taking and document storage, collaboration tools for teams, templates for workflows like Kanban, boards, calendars, and lists, great for both personal and team productivity. And if we were to compare their pricing, you can get started with OmniFocus as they offer a free trial, and you can also see that their paid plan starts off at $9.99 per month and it goes up to $149. And with Notion, you can also get started for free, and their monthly plan starts off at $12 and it can go up to $18. So in conclusion, which one should you choose? I would recommend you choose Notion if you're looking for a flexible all-in-one tool to manage tasks, projects, and collaborate workflows. It's ideal for both solo users and teams needing a versatile workspace. While on the other hand, I would recommend you use OmniFocus if you're an individual user who needs a structured task management system based on the Get Things Done methodology. It's perfect for those who value prioritization and detailed organization.